Both orange and apple peels are similar because they contain a lot of nutritional elements. This fruit can be used for cleaning. Today we will learn how the orange peel can be used for our health, skin and even the house. While eating oranges, we often throw her peel off or use her peels to funnel and rub into each other's eyes, while some people use her peels to dry and put them in face packs. Yes, you must be surprised to hear this, but it is true. Both orange and apple peels are similar because they contain a lot of nutritional elements. This fruit can be used for cleaning. Take a dry peel and grind it in a mixer and add vinegar to it and then clean the table, glass and metal from it. By using it, the stains on light clothing can also be removed easily. To prevent the worm from getting into the cupboard of the cloth, keep the orange peel in it. Grind orange peel in milk and sieve. Mix it with raw milk and turmeric and apply it on the face. With this, where the facial pimples are destroyed, at the same time, the skin becomes firm. Today we will learn how the orange peel can be used for our health, skin and even the house. A special type of scented oil is found in orange peel. Yes, orange peel contains a special smell of oil. This oil is used for calming the nerves and for deep sleep. Put 2 to 3 drops of oil in the bath water and then see how sweet sleep is. If your hair looks very rough and lifeless, then orange peels can prove to be a boon for you. Grind the orange peel and apply it to the hair for some time and then wash the hair. Hair will become shiny and soft. Grind orange peel and mix rose water in it and apply it on the face to remove stains and spots. It is beneficial for oily skin and also prevents pimples. Putting it in a face pack clears dead skin and removes blackheads. Reduce obesity too. It reduces high cholesterol in obese individuals. It contains flavonoid, which helps in fighting stomach cancer and osteoporosis. Removing stomach diseases, it improves digestion, helps in removing gas, vomiting, heartburn and acidic belching. It increases appetite and relieves nausea.